This video shows a glider being set into motion, and it's got a string attached to the left side attached to a small mass here, and a string attached to the right side attached to a bigger mass. So if we look at the forces acting on this glider, we see that there's the force of gravity pulling downward, and there's the force of the air from the track pushing upward. And then there's the force of the string on the left pulling it to the left. And there's also the force of the string on the right pulling it to the right. This is a bigger force because there's more mass hanging from this string. There's also the force of the push, but we're going to ignore that because that's just used to set it into motion. So once it's in motion, these are the four forces that are acting on it. Now, as we saw in another example, gravity and the force from the air track cancel out. And the force from the left, from this string, only partially cancels out the force pulling to the right. That means there's still some force left over to the right. The net force is not zero. That means that the velocity will not be constant. The velocity will change. And you can see pretty clearly in this example, as soon as the cart is pushed, the motion is not constant.